Hello children, in this video we are going to learn how materials transport within the plants. Plants have vascular tissue to transport water and sugars. They get water and minerals from soil through the roots and food is prepared by leaves. Water and minerals are supplied to the remaining parts of the plants by xylem and food is through phloem tissues. Xylem and phloem together arranged as vascular bundles. Let us know how the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots are not directly contact with water. Usually, roots have thin hair-like structures called root hairs. Water enters the root hairs and passes inwards from cell to cell until it gets into the xylem vessels. What is the mechanism behind this? There is no doubt that is osmosis. What is osmosis? The movement of molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration. Osmosis plays an important role in this process. The cytoplasm lining of the cell wall acts as the semi-permeable membrane. Water present between the soil particles is called soil water. Root hairs grow out into the spaces between the soil particles. Cytoplasm of the root has salts and sugars. It is called as cell sap. Soil water also has salts dissolved in it, but the concentration of soil water is less than the concentration of root hair's cell sap. Therefore, water moves into the root hair from the soil. That means from lower concentration to higher concentration. The entry of water dilutes the contents of the root hair so that it becomes more dilute than its neighboring cell. So, water passes from this cell into the neighboring cell, which in return becomes diluted. This way, water enters into the xylem vessels. As there are vast number of root hairs and root cells involved, a pressure in the xylem vessels develops and forces the water upwards. This pressure is known as root pressure. Root pressure is one of the factors for the movement of water in xylem. Root pressure helps to transport water in small plants. But how does the water reach the top of tall trees? Transpiration pulls the water molecules from below to higher meters of tall trees.